Hello and welcome to Reservoir Travel. In this video, we are taking you on a luxurious train journey from Paris to Nice, widely considered one of the most scenic routes in France. The starting point for our journey is Gare de Lyon, which is one of Paris's busiest and most iconic train stations. Serving as a major transportation hub, Gare de Lyon boasts a stunning architecture dating back to the early 20th century and offers connections to destinations across France and beyond. Several types of trains operate on the Paris to Nice route, including high-speed TGV trains, which provide a swift and comfortable journey. Travelers can choose from various classes of service, ranging from a standard seating to first class, with amenities such as spacious seats and Wi-Fi available on certain trains. The journey covers approximately 950 kilometers and takes around 5 to 6 hours, depending on the type of train and the number of stops along the way. There is also a cafe on board which offers a welcoming atmosphere where you can savor a cup of coffee or indulge in a satisfying lunch, all while enjoying the scenic views as they pass by. The route passes through picturesque French countryside, offering breathtaking views of vineyards, rolling hills, and beaches along the way. The Paris to Nice train journey offers a convenient, comfortable, and scenic way to travel between these two iconic cities, allowing passengers to sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of the French countryside. Every week, we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour.